Working alone, Nicole can mop a warehouse in 4 hours. Ashley can mop the same warehouse in 8 hours. Find how long it would take them if they worked together. Round to the nearest tenth. Okay, so Nicole equals 4 hours. 4 hours to do one job. So I could say that Nicole does one job every 4 hours. She can mop that warehouse in 4 hours. She does one job every 4 hours, which means I can also say that she completes 1/4 of her job per hour. If she does one job in 4 hours, she completes 1/4 of it every hour. Ashley is 8 hours. And so I can say Ashley does one job every 8 hours. So I can say she does 1/8 of a job per hour. Okay. Now, if you guys are working together, while Nicole's doing 1/4 of the job, Ashley's doing 1/8 of the job, but you are working together. So 1/4 plus 1/8. I'm going to change that fourths to eighths. So this is going to be equal to 3/8 of a job. 3/8 of the job every hour. Which makes sense. Nicole's doing 1/4 of it, Ashley does 1/8 of it. Together, combined, you do 3/8. But this is not asking us as our rate per hour. This is asking us how long it would take them to complete the job if they worked together. So they do 3/8 of the job every hour. But we need them to do one whole job. This is their rate. 3/8 of the job every hour. If we want to figure out how many hours it's going to take them, we're going to say, what is one job divided by 3/8 of a job per hour? I don't like how that's written, so I'm going to say this. What is one job divided by 3/8 per hour? Well, if you notice, we are dealing with fractions, dividing fractions. So when we divide fractions, we flip them. So we need to figure out how long it's going to take to do one job. They do 3/8 of it per hour. So I'm going to say, what is 1 times 8/3? 1 times 8/3, that's 8/3. And I'm going to convert 8/3 into a decimal. So, and I'm going to round to the nearest tenth. So this is going to be 2.67 hours. So they can complete the job together in 2.67 hours. Now, if I drew this visually for you, okay, we'll cut that in half, cut that in half, cut that in half. And we want it eighths, so that's a half, fourth, and then cut that in half again. Okay, so this is now an eighths. They do 3/8 of the job every hour. So hour 1, hour 2, and we still have 2 left over. 2 out of the 3. So this is your 2/3. Because they do 3 every hour, so this is the 2 that are left, 2/3. So this would be equal to 2 and 2/3, which is 2.67.